It's very scary. This is my morning face. Actually, time here is 7:15. No, not 7:15, 7:45. So this is our weekend, Saturday weekend morning. Chill lang kasi umuulan, and we will have a breakfast. I will have a breakfast together with my husband. I'm not showing anything. You're mean.
You can see through it.
Can you? So this is his breakfast. Weetabix, 2 Weetabix in the morning.
This is why I'm big and strong.
Okay, so what I am having, Han?
No.
I don't know. I will have peanut butter. Peanut butter and 2 crackers. That's my breakfast. There you go. It's been a while, honey. We never had a breakfast together.
Long time.
A long, long time.
Because you're always dashing off to work or sleeping in.
Don't say it that way. Kain.
True.
These crackers really go with peanut butter. The cracker, honey. The cracker is this one. Cracker bread. Yan. Masarap. Pasensyahan niyo na. Oy, nakapajama pa ako. Ito talaga yung mukha ko. So, walang filter ba? Hindi yung you know, expectation nyo ng I woke up like this. Ito yung reality ng I woke up like this. It's raining, Han, again. I don't know when we're gonna transfer our strawberry because the bed is ready, but because it's raining, it's so hard to transfer the strawberry. Are you gonna say something?
You just have to get wet. Won't it?
Really? And you're there just watching me getting wet. Well, it looks promising today. It looks like
What?
the sun is trying to come out. No?
Don't be fooled.
No? Is it bad day today?
Wet wasn't.
Oh, no.
Ready this morning?
No, I haven't opened any window this morning.
Did I? Just have a look at the toilet window.
I will have a look, sir. We're going. It's closed. We're going to Tisco, the usual routine. It's not open, Han. Oy! Maginaw ngayon ay. We are here. Aldi.
I've left my phone at home.
Oh no, well I got my phone anyway.
So if anybody wants to ring me, talk.
Let's go. Huh?
No card, nothing.
I think I got my card with me.
Showing me what in your phone.
Yeah, I got my card with me.
Sorry, darling.
You do it on purpose.
No, but I wanted fuel, but I can't get fuel.
Oh, it's alright. I will pay your fuel and
No,
then I will
no.
claim it.
No,
No, here we go. Oh, he left his phone and also his card, so I have to pay the shopping today.
Good move, wasn't it?
Here we are. It's quiet. It's quiet Saturday. We have to go to Aldi because I need... Where is it? I need some of this. This one. And
I thought you were on
this.
the other one. The Fitbits. Oh, you're in those, are you? Oh, benefit.
Yeah.
The orange one.
Yeah. Oh,
chocolate.
are the
Orange ones are
chocolate?
here.
Yeah, I need this flavor.
How much you want?
5.
5?
Hmm. Oh, you like that, aren't you?
Well, I just do.
No, we want the cheddar flavor. I think it's in here. They change it around. Where is it? I cannot find it. Well, yeah, this is the cantaloupe. That's what we are growing in the greenhouse. So hopefully we will have a cantaloupe in the next few weeks. We have peppers, so we don't need. Yes, cauliflower. I like the look of them. Yeah.
Big one.
That's massive. I like that.
Don't you mind?
Oh, I am getting orchids.
I was going to buy it for her, but I left my card at home.
Don't give me that, oi. I need the fresh basil, but I cannot reach it. So John will try to get it for me. Yeah. Yeah, smells good. Tingnan niyo, oh, meron na sila mga Christmas cards. Maaga sila nag-start this year. For my wonderful husband. We need to look for a card for Mama.
Look.
She will be very annoyed to us if we're gonna give that to her.
You think so?
Yes. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Birthday wishes. Sparkling bed. Yeah, Mother. Let's go to Mother. Where's Mother? Mom, right here. I don't know. I feel like I always go to the same one.
Oh, this one then.
I think last time when we get that one.
Okay.
I'm not so sure, sweetheart.
Put this one there.
I forgot now. I don't know. How about that woman there? There's a woman.
Huh?
Yeah, what's in there? Ah, what it says. Mom suffered from a terrible pains in the backside right up until the day they grew up and left home. Yeah, we'll get this for her. This one here, I think. Yeah. We're gonna get the dumplings again because I like these dumplings. Ouch. That's a vegetable. I want a chicken.
Expensive, aren't it?
Hello, sweetheart. Where's Phoebe? 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 Where's Phoebe, Pipa? Phoebe! I bet she's hiding in the kennel again. I'm so hungry, Hanay. I forgot to buy a pot. Kasi bumili ako ng orchids at ito, I make sure na yung orchids na pinili ko hindi siya dye orchids. So, ito talaga yung kulay niya. Second coffee for the day. We're going to the greenhouse and we will check our melon. Pipa! Oh my! It's really growing big.
What about baby?
Yeah, it's getting look like more of cantaloupe now, Han, because it has like a pattern.
Stripes.
Yeah. Ah, and
Bit down.
This one. It's getting bigger. Stop touching! You just cannot help yourself, ay. Ay, this splitting now, han, ay.
Yeah, it's bursting. We have to pick these and it's edible.
Yeah, I know it is still edible, but it's very ripe, you see. That's why they're splitting.
Things, though, they don't look it, do they? You know.
Yeah.
Hold that for a minute.
Put them down. There you go.
Yeah, harvest some more there. We can use them for soup actually.
Oh yes! Oh yes! Yeah, we will use that for the soup.
Fairly grown, that melon, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm so happy, Han, that we did not pull
That's
the
obviously
melon.
a new leaf, isn't it? In pineapple.
Well, I
Oh,
don't.
It must be.
Is
They
it?
must be. Mustn't they?
Well,
It's got to be. They've got to be growing now, haven't they? Surely.
Well, it is surviving. Yeah, there's a roots because it's still green.
Well, it wouldn't be green with it in here if it wasn't growing, would it?
The tomato plants are dying now, so
Oh,
we
dear.
need to harvest the tomatoes. Well, we're going to Mama today, so we will give her a lot. Gagawa tayo ng tomato soup later, pero hindi ko bibigyan ng tomato soup si mother-in-law ko, yung tomato soup na gagawin ko. Kasi nahihiya ako. Kasi baka hindi niya magustuhan ba. So, it's better na gumawa siya ng kanya. Kasi she's a good cook kasi. What sort of food she cooking, Han, when you're growing up, Han?
Well, just more traditional.
Traditional English food.
Yeah.
Do you have any favorite food when you're growing up? What is your favorite food, Han?
Lancashire hot pot was one of my favourites.
Is it good? Did she make it herself?
Oh yeah. Pick them too.
I'm so hungry. I cannot focus picking up my tomatoes because I'm so hungry. Sabi na mama ko, huwag kang mapalipas ng gutom dyan. Sabi ko sa kanya, walang rice dito. Joke lang. Totoo naman talaga. It's not good na magpalipas ng gutom. Hindi naman ako masyadong gutom. Pero alam niyo yun, yung parang, oh, nag-crave ka ng pagkain. Now na. Ngayon na. Our lunch, mga palangga, baguette. Ooh, smells so good ay. Wala akong tripod ngayon, so pagpasensyahan nyo na. There you go. Ready na. Manonood ako ng TV. And tapos, mag-i-edit tayo.
Love it, that's so good for the gout. And then pour that over your the penne, let's say. Oh, what do you think?
Ang sarap, oy. Malalasahan mo talaga pag ang tinapay fresh siya or hindi. Meron akong hot cross buns dito. Pag nakita to ni John, sasabihin na naman niya, oh, I thought you don't like the hot cross buns. I like hot cross buns. Pero hindi ko siya gusto kasi nakakataba. Hindi ako sure kung nabanggit ko ba sa inyo kanina mga palangga, naggagawa tayo ng soup. So, alam niyo naman siguro, marami tayong kamatis. So, ang gagawin nating soup ngayon is tomato soup. This is my second time around na gumawa ng tomato soup. Pero, nung first time, hindi siya successful. So, hopefully, the second time around, this will be my second time na gagawa tayo ng tomato soup. So, hopefully, maging successful siya. Yung recipe na ipa-follow ko is ito, yung BBC food na recipe. I will put the recipe down in the description below. So, kayo na ang bahalang mag-check, okay? So, sabi dito, we need 2 kilograms of ripe tomato, which is marami tayong kamatis, walang problema doon. 3 garlic cloves, handful of basil, 1 tablespoon tomato puree, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 liter of vegetable stock, salt and pepper, castor sugar, 150 ml of double cream, and a cabiata loaf bread to serve. So, yeah, magsisimula na tayo. Anyway, si Mr. wala pa din si Mr. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras siya uuwi. So, 0 grams na. Yung unit natin na gagamitin is grams. So, 1,000 grams is equivalent to 1 kilo. So, we need 2,000 grams. So, ito. That's 806 grams. So, kailangan pa oo, may tumatawag. I think they're online ba? Sandali lang. Yeah, my family is online. Hello! They're online. Hello! Subang hina ng signal sa amin, kaya ayun, pahirapan talaga sa pagtawag. Ito na yung kamatis na gagamitin natin. Tumatawag ulit sila. So, ito na yung kamatis na gagamitin natin. Actually, lagpas siya ng 2,000 grams or 2 kilos. Lagpas lang siya ng 15 grams. So, okay na yun. Hello? Hello? So, ang gagawin ko, huhugasan ko sila, din tapos babalatan natin. Huhugasan ko siya, ilalagay ko siya sa microwave for 30 seconds, then babalatan natin siya. Madali lang siyang balatan pag nilagay mo siya sa oven. Microwave. Nag-add ako ng another 30 seconds mga palangga kasi kanina pag-check ko after sa first 30 seconds natin hindi soft yung kamatis. So ito na oh. So 1 minute kailangan para magiging mahulas na yung skin nila. Yan. Lalagay natin sila dito yung susunod na batch. Online ulit sila. Hello? Hello? Nakakainis yung signal ay sobrang hina. Hello? Hello, Nay? So, ito na yung kamatis natin. Nabalatan ko na sila lahat. At ito na yung ibang ingredients. A handful of basil, garlic, tomato puree, olive oil, at meron pang kulang dyan. Yung mga salt and pepper, castor sugar, and yung double cream. So, nagpapainit muna ako ng dito, kaldero. So, sabi dito, heat a large, heavy saucepan over medium to high heat. When the pan is hot, add the tomatoes and fry for 4 to 5 minutes until they have started to break down. Five minutes is up. So, ilalagay na natin to. So, basil, garlic, kukuha muna ako ng teaspoons. iuuna ko muna yung tomato puree. Yan. And then, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And mix it together. Oh my, ano kaya ang magiging resulta nito mga palangga? Smells good. It's looking good. Tingnan niyo. Diba? And lulutuin natin ng another 2 more minutes. At i-add natin yung vegetable stock. At isi-simmer natin for another 3 to 4 minutes. Yun na, kumukulo na. I-off na natin yung apoy. So, ito siya mga palangga, i-blend natin. Yan. Ingat-ingat lang kasi mainit. There you go. That's the first batch. At soon lang mga palangga. Uulitin natin kung ano yung ginawa natin. Titikman ko muna bago ko siya titimplahan. It's a wise decision, di ba? Kulang siya ng kaunting pepper. Lagyan natin kaunting pepper. And kaunting salt. So, while pala nagtitimpla ako nito, ilalagay ko na yung garlic bread sa oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Tikman natin ulit. I like that. So, ipo-pour na natin yung double cream natin. Then we will simmer it for 3 minutes. Honeybee! Come on now! Garlic bread! Ooh! So I hope you like it.
Oh, I know.
Oh no!
Oh, you can't put it on there. It'll grease you the...
Yeah, I did not mean to put that in on the table. You ready?
Ready.
You ready to taste my homemade?
Oh, can I have a proper spoon, darling?
Oh, there's a proper spoon here.
I don't like them spoons. This is homemade tomato and basil.
Just speak properly, please.
Tomato and basil.
Tomato.
I'm in America. Tomato and basil.
So, how is it?
Gonna be delicious, darling.
Is it?
Really? Yeah. Really gonna be delicious.
You don't like this spoon?
No.
What's wrong with this? That's a proper soup
That's for
spoon.
chicken sweet corn soup.
Well,
Right.
any kind of tomato, oh well, tomato, any kind of soup, that spoon will do. Well, I am eating as well, you know. I'm not filming. I want to taste my food as well.
Good.
Really? Honest?
Really.
You're not pretending?
I don't lie, you know that. If it's, I'll tell you, if it's yummy, it's...
It's really good. I like this.
It's good.
The garlic bread is so tasty. That's good. That's my homemade.
Your cooking is getting so good now. things you see, when you have fresh produce, good produce, the flavours come out. Don't they?
Yeah, it's good. I'm getting hot now. Look at your face. It's warm, temperature warm. Would you like another bed?
What? For a minute.
The thing is, if I eat 2, plus this soup, I will be full.
Okay.
So you will have 3. The leftover will be put in the freezer. So how do you rate my soup?
Out of 10, 20.
You're exaggerating though.
Really good.
Really?
It's better than restaurant standard.
The first time I made a tomato soup, you don't like it.
I did.
Did you?
Yeah, that's why I asked you to make another one.
Really? Your face wasn't like that.
Last time it was thicker than this though.
Is it? I can't remember.
What do you put in it to thicken it? Anything else?
The heavy cream. That's all.
Yeah. It's not too strong on basil neither.
But it's alright, the balance is okay.
The balance is good.
Why is it balance?
That's how you say it.
I
Balance.
don't say that.
You go, balance.
Well, how do you say it then? Balance. What? How do you say it?
Balance.
Balance. Yeah.
Yeah, but you always pronounce your balance
Balance.
more stronger.
Our maid is waiting. John is having fish cake and I will have this. And he will try one of this. This one!
Has he got chili?
Hot and I don't know, fiery? Fiery chicken thighs?
Fiery. That says it all. Yeah, I enjoyed that. I really did it actually.
That's 15 pounds, sir.
Well, it wasn't worth that much. Do you need some help there, my darling?
I'm fine, sir.
Are you sure now?
Yes.
I need to come and put my spices on.
Sit down, sir. Sit down.
It's even worse.
Sit down.
I've got to sit down. The boss says sit. So when the boss says sit, I say, yes ma'am, where do I sit?
There you go.
Oh, look at this. God damn, that's an awful lot considering we've had soup. Isn't it? Right, where's my plate?
It's dirty at the moment,
Well,
sir.
it could have been washed, couldn't it?
Han,
I hate this little plate. Hate it.
there's nothing wrong with that.
It is because there's nowhere to move my food. It all stays crunked up and it stays hot.
It's not crispy, this one. I should not feel any spicy on it.
No, I've
Spice.
heard this before. Don't feel any spice. I put it in my mouth and my ears start smoking.
Try it, just a little. Just a
I
little.
need to
huh?
put my fluid in here first to put the fire out.
I give you a little, very
That
little.
is little there.
There's no chicken in there.
Oh,
There is.
there's a chicken in there. You're always fingering.
I don't. Yes.
Yeah, I can feel the spice.
Don't say that way.
My tongue's on fire.
Really?
I feel it burning,
Drink some
yeah?
juice.
Where's the butter?
Drink some juice.
This is hot, is that?
So anyway mga palangga, ito na yung vlog natin for today. Just a short vlog. So maraming salamat sa panunood. Bye, John!
Bye, John!
Bye!